Hello, good morning, and I hope everyone is feeling well. Welcome to my Digital Defender channel. Today, I will guide you through the essential Active Directory tasks like managing user and configuring group policy. I'll go to very basic and I'll explain how to view user detail using command line tools and enabling and disabling features like task managers. And I'll divide this video into two parts. In the second part, I'll create organization units and I'll keep those organization unit from to not accidentally delete it and how I can delete it after disabling accidental delete. So let's get started. So the first thing, let me go to the Active Directory user and computer, which is this is my screen and this is the information about my local server, which the computer name is security hacker, domain name is malik.com, and I'm using bridge adapter which I'm completely connect with the internet. So to go to tools, let me show you the user first. Active Directory user in computers, and if you click on user, here are some user that you see. Let me say I want information about John Malik or Noah Malik. Let me find the information about Noah Malik using command line. Click on start, open the command line, of course as administrator. Sorry. So I open it as administrator. To see the information about the Noah Malik, type user, net user, and then Malik, and then let me see, and Malik, and then / domain. This will give me the information about the Noah Malik user. Click on this, says the user is Noah Malik, the full name is this, account expired never, the password last set, password expired, changeable, and everything. When you want it, give you the home directory path, everything to this user. Let me say the another thing I want to do is let me disable the account. In order to disable the account, you need to right click and click disable account, click OK, and then it has been disabled. And if I want to log in, let me now log in as a Noah Malik and see if Noah Malik is able to log in or not. Other user and Malik, and type password and see what's gonna happen. Say your account has been disabled, please see your system administrator. In order to enable it back, let's say the Noah Malik came to me and he said, hey, my account has been disabled, can you please enable it back? In order to enable it, you need to right click on this, either click on enable account, or you can go to the properties, and in the properties you need to click on this, or it should be here or not. That was the only way that you can enable and disable the account. If it is unlocked, you can lock it, or unlock if you can unlock it, and all of these stuff you can do here. So yeah, this is the only way. You can right click and enable and disable. Let me disable it again, and if I want to enable it one more time, right click and click on enable account. The other thing I want to do is, let me set the Noah Malik password set to expire. Let's say I want to expire his password, like account, and let me give name something. Let me put the date 2024 December 1st, let's say, and hit apply and OK. and let me log in as a normally right now. Remember, the account has been enabled, right, from disable, and let me now try to log in, right, because normally came to the office after a long time and his password has been expired after he attempted to log in. Say the user account has expired and he's not able to log into it. In order to make it remove it from the expire, you need to right click on the normally, click account, and click on never. Hit apply and OK. And as you see, normally is not disable user. It has been enabled. And let me try now one more time. As you see, normally is now able to log in to the screen. Let's say another thing is I want to show is if you go to the server, let's say I have a bunch of user. Let me I'm working in a big company and that company has, let's say, 1,000 or 2,000 user, and someone user came to me, my name is Brian Malik, and I have this issue, my account has been disabled and I want to enable it, and you're not able to find it. You don't need like to keep scrolling and waste your time like scrolling. I want to find the, let's say, Grace Malik or Brian Malik, to find his user and make it enable his account. You need to simply right click on the domain to find his name. Right click on domain, right click and click find. After you click on find, let me say a name should be B Malik, just Brian Malik, and click on find now. And as you see, the Brian Malik is right here, and you can do anything whatever you want. You can click on properties, and on the properties you can do whatever you want, or you can also right click on this. You need to disable account, reset password, anything whatever you want you can do it. As you see, I have been successfully logged in as a Malik. Let me sign out one more time. We go to the server and let me open the command prompt on a Windows machine. Let's say I want to find Brian Malik, which share drive, Brian Malik permission, like which Brian Malik like has a shared drive permission to which drive. Let's say I have so many drives, Z drives, A drive, B drive, C, D, W, everything, and you want to find like Brian Malik a shared drive is connected to which drive, or where his drive, like he's associated with which drive. Easy thing is you can do. Let me see, something is wrong with the Windows. Yeah, here you go. So you need to click on the command prompt, CMD. Wait for this little bit. It's a little bit slow, not sure why, but I'm gonna wait. Let me sign out and sign in again one more time. I wanna check It's a no Malik. He is associated to which drive? Hopefully that's gonna work for this time. Click on this, type CMD and run as administrator. This normally is like he's the person and he is not an administrator user. So that has been attempted to type a password for this username and password. What happened again? Some reason it's freezing. Me type administrator to open the terminal. Here we go. So I'm now logging in as the as the administrator, and let me now type net use. Me type one more time net use. There are no entries in the list. It's supposed to show me net use, or let me go to the me close and open one more time. So I'll type CMD and let me open it without as administrator. Yeah, here you go. So let me type net use. As you see, he is associated with this drive, which is Z. And I apologize for the first time I opened it as administrator, which I shouldn't. So go to the terminal and check that that the no Malik is associated to which drive. So he is associated, this is the path to the drive, and this is the drive name Z. And you can simply copy this path and go to the file explorer. Like the purpose of this, there are so many drives, let's say, and you don't know that this user is belong to which drive. As you see, it says a folder is empty. And if you copy and paste it like this and you click on, let's say, this, so normally it is right here and there is nothing inside this, so it will give me the path to the home drive where that drive is located. And if I want like more detail about that user, you can type, basically you need to open the command prompt right now as administrator on the server. Let me go to the server. We open the server and go to the command prompt, which I already opened it, clear CLS, and type gp result /r. This will give me more information about the user. As you see, I got a lot of information about the user. So these are the built-in administrator, and the domain name is Malik. Security hacker is the group policy name. Domain controller, it gives me like a lot of information about the user, right? and many more. If you scroll it down, you will see more information. Local disorganization, console login, built-in administrator, and so many more things that you will see. Denied password, and the domain name is Malik. Domain type is this. So let me check on Windows. Let me show one more thing. So this will give me more information in details about the user. And if you go to the Windows, let me log out of this, and I'll show one more thing. Let me You are on the server, let's say, and on the server you you connected so many machines. And if you go to the group tools Active Directory user in computers, and here you click on computers. In the computers I'm connected, there is only one machine connected, named hacker. Let's say there are a bunch of computers, and you go to the each 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 machines, and you say, I'm not sure, on the server there is a machine named hacker, and I would like to find that machine in the classroom, or in another room, because in another room there are like 100 computers, and I want to know which hacker machine is that. To do this, you need to go to the Windows and you simply click on this and click on other user, and just type this dot backward slash, and it will tell you this machine is hacker. Like, the reason I'm saying this, like, there are so many hundred computers, right? And you don't know, like, you want to find the hacker computers in those computers. So in each computers you can simply type this dot backward slash, and it will give you the computer name. Finally you will find it that this machine, this computer, is belong to a hacker. The another thing is how to turn off task manager. Let's say you log in as a normally, which I need to log in right now. So I'm logging as a normally, and I would like to disable the task manager. Let me click on this on the toolbar, and on the toolbar it says the task manager is now working. If I click it, it's gonna open right away. But I want to disable this from the server. I don't want this task manager to be working anymore. To do this, you need to go to the server, and on the server you need to go to the group policy management, and in here, let me open this, you need to extend all of these. So you need to click on domain, and in the domain sections you need to click on malik.com, and the malik.com, right click on this and click edit. After you do this, you make this bigger, click on user configuration and extend the policies, and then click on the administrator template. Let me make this, and in administrator template you need to go to the system, and in the system you need to click on this, and you will see this window. So the task manager, remove the task manager. This will give you all the informations. If you want to make it disable, you need to simply right click on this, edit, and click on enable, and hit apply and OK. And now if I'm log out and log in again one more time, my goodness, some reason if I let me sign out and sign in one more time and see if the task manager is working or not right now. So let me log in as a normally and see if the task manager is working or not. So I'm logging as a normally and now right click on task manager. If you see the task manager is not working, it is not even visible. To start working on task manager, I want to make it to work back. You need to go to the same setting one more time. Tools, group policy management. Come on. Forestmoney.com, there will be domain in money.com. Expand the money.com. Right click on this, edit. And then click on policy, and in the policy click on administrator template, and in here you need to expand the system. Let me make this bigger. System, and click on this, Control Alt Delete. You need to either double click or right click edit. I'll make this not configured and I'll apply and OK. Now the user will be able to have access to the task manager if you log out and log in again. Me log out and log in again. So I'm successfully logged out, and let me log in one more time and see if the task manager is now working or not. So I'm logging as a Malik right now, and let me click if the Malik is able to have access to task manager. As you see, I right click on this and toolbar, and the task manager is there. So right click on toolbar anytime and keep checking the task manager whether if it is working or not. So in this video, I'll wrap up this video. So in this video, I explained the basic stuff of how to configure and manage user, disable, enable, how to find it, and how to enable and disable the task manager. So, and many more stuff that I did. And also I did, like, as I said, how to make how to get informations about one user using command line. And let's say I also explained which computer is a hacker computer. If you go to the room and there are so many computers, and if you want to find a specific computer, you need to type this dot backward slash, and also I use some command lines to get information about specific user and account expired for the password, and as well as I use command lines, some tools. So that's all for this demo. I hope you learned and you gain knowledge from this, and I'll see you in the second part, how to create organization unit. Thank you for being with me and have a great day.